Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. On this channel I do hairstyles for kids, I do beauty DIYs, I do a lot on this channel, so please consider hitting the subscribe button down below so you can join the family, okay? And thank you as you do that. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys home remedy you can use to get a pink lips. That's what I'll be showing you guys today. Please know that home remedies, they don't come fast, they don't work fast. You have to try them for some periods before you will start to see results, okay? Especially like this pink lips remedy. Now you have to try it for 1 month, steady 1 month, and there are some things you have to do to actually make it work. I'll be sharing all that with you guys in this video, okay guys? I've tried this method for some months now and they really worked, okay? And another thing about trying to get a pink lips is, after trying all those remedies, please don't leave that lips dry. Always get a lip gloss. Yes, always apply lip gloss, okay? It also helps you to maintain your pink lips, okay? And keep your lips soft, because when your lips are dry, they tend to crack, they tend to break, you know, all those things, and all those things contribute to a dark lips, okay guys? So without much talk guys, let's get right into it. So for the treatment, you will need beetroot. 1 beetroot is enough. Now I'll go ahead and peel off the skin. Beetroot is really good when it comes to lips. When it comes to pink lips, beetroot is really good. You know, beetroot is an amazing ingredient that brightens your lips. Beetroot lightens your dark lips and nourishes them, thereby making them pink. It gives your lips a natural pink tint and heals lips lines and pigmentations on the lips. That's why they are good. As you can see, my hands are now red in color. It has colored my hands already. So if you're doing this and you don't want your hands to be stained, wear hand gloves while doing this, okay? So after peeling off the skin of the beetroot, I'll go ahead and grate it with the smallest size of a grater. For this treatment, what I'll be needing is the water. So after grating the beetroot, I'll go ahead and squeeze out the water. This is what I got. So now I'm done squeezing out the water. I'll proceed with the next ingredient, which is toothpaste. Here I'll be using Colgate toothpaste. You can use any toothpaste of your choice, but this toothpaste, I prefer it because it has a mint taste. Yes, so I'll go ahead and add some amount of it. Toothpaste will help to soften your lips. Even when you're brushing your teeth, it's always good that after brushing, you try to use your toothpaste to brush your lips. They also help to give you pink lips, okay? So now I will go ahead and mix it very well. Mix it very well so that the beetroot juice and the toothpaste combines properly. So after mixing, the next ingredient is sugar. I'll go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar is very good when it comes to exfoliation. So I'll be adding sugar. 1 tablespoon of sugar is enough. So now I'll go ahead and mix it. After mixing it, now I'll go ahead and show you guys how you can use this. So now that we are done mixing it, here I have the mixture with me. So now I'll go ahead and take a brush. First, let me wash off my lipstick, then I'll come back. So here I am guys, I've cleaned my lip stain, and this is how my lips look like. So I'll go ahead and get a brush. Dip the brush into the regimen, then use it to scrub your lips. So after doing this, I'll go ahead and wash it off, and I'll come back. So now I'm back, and this is how my lips looks like. Did you see? As you can see, I have nothing on it. I have nothing on my lips. So this is how my lips looks like. This is how my lips look like right now. The secret about doing this is after scrubbing, don't ever leave your lips dry. Don't ever leave your lips dry. I say it again. Don't ever leave your lips dry, okay? Go ahead with your lip gloss or any or Vaseline. Yes, go ahead and apply lip gloss or Vaseline on it. This is the one I'll be applying. I like this one. It's Burt's Bees. That's the name, Burt's Bees. I'll go ahead. They have the pink one of it, but this is just the plain one. This is very good, guys. I use it every night, every time. In fact, it helps to keep your lips very soft and crack free. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and apply it. Then I'm good to go. My lips were never like this before. They were so black. I left a picture. I would leave it here again. They were so black, but guys, and I'm living in a place that I'm living in Europe, Sweden precisely. And when it's winter, my lips used to crack. Like they will crack and you see all those whitey stuff and all that. But now I do this mostly every winter because I used to have cracked lips and all that, and dry lips during winter. So I try to do anything possible to keep it moisturized, to keep it soft, free from crack, and this is one of it. After scrubbing it with the regimen I shared with you guys, I'll go ahead and apply this or Vaseline. If I don't have this at hand, if I don't have this at hand, I can always apply Vaseline, okay? You can also do that if you don't have any lip gloss or anything. Use Vaseline, okay? Do this, come back and share your testimony with me, okay, guys? I will see you all in my next video. Bye.